Demystifying Old Saw, Understanding English Phrases. Hey everyone, in today's lesson, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, old saw. Have you heard of it? Well, by the end of this video, not only will you know its meaning, but you'll also understand its origin and how to use it in sentences. Old saw is a phrase that refers to a well-known saying or proverb that has been used for a long time. It's like an old piece of wisdom that has been passed down through generations. Think of it as an old saying or an old proverb. Example, as the old saw goes, a stitch in time saves 9. The term saw in this context doesn't refer to the tool used for cutting. Instead, it's derived from the Old English word segu, which means a saying or tale. Over time, as the English language evolved, the word saw came to be associated with common sayings or proverbs. Adding the word old to it just emphasizes its age or how long it's been around. When using the phrase old saw, you're referencing a saying that most people might already be familiar with. It's a way of acknowledging that you're not introducing a new thought, but rather reminding the listener of a known wisdom. Examples: 1. Like the old saw says, actions speak louder than words. 2. I guess the old saw is right. Birds of a feather flock together. Tips. It's often used to introduce a saying or to emphasize agreement with a commonly accepted truth. You can use it as a way to connect with others over shared knowledge. And there we have it. Now you're familiar with the phrase, old saw, and know how to use it confidently in your conversations. English is full of such fascinating phrases, and I'm thrilled to explore them with you. Remember, language is not just about words but also the stories behind them. Hope you found this lesson helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.